Like it's a walleye. Oh yeah, nice walleye. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Good job, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Mongo. Look at that. Oh dude. Got him again. As soon as he got back down there. Oh my god. It's a nicer dude, it's a big crappie. Or a big gill. Oh dude. It's alright. It's alright, buddy. Big gill. Oh, look at that. Oh, dude! Dude, that's like 11-inch bluegill. Bro, that's like 11-inch bluegill. Just hooked up with my PB salmon. Just a toad of a big perch. Oh, yes. Just a tank.
Oh my god, this is a big
14-inch perch on the dot, maybe 14. Just smacked an inland beast. Actually, oh yeah, look at that one. That's right. Stud. 25-incher, my boy just smacked a pig. Yeah, it is. As well, we just hooked up with a big one. I was not a lot. That's a gone. That's a giant. Oh man, that's like another 14. There she goes. Oh my god. Nice, beautiful fish. We're out here, boys. Well, good morning guys. I am out on another ice adventure. This is my second time being on ice this year. I left the ice show yesterday and drove a little farther north. Found some safe ice here in the river flowage. Was just setting out tip-ups. I set out two. Probably gonna set out another one because I have to run back to the car and grab some gear. So I think I'm just gonna set my 3 tip-ups out for right now. See how that works. I got one in 7 feet, one in 10 feet, and the other one over there I'm about to put is like 6 feet, 5 feet, closer to some structure here. But yeah, hopefully it goes good. There's walleyes. I mean, this is a river flowage. There's walleyes, muskies, northerns, crappies, bluegills, perch, you name it. But I am specifically hoping to catch some walleyes. Set my tip-ups up for walleyes. I got one out that has a bigger fluorocarbon leader for northern or muskie on the iFish Pro. Otherwise, I'm setting out 2 beaver dams here and got 8-pound test on them. Well, actual tip-up line, 2 8-pound tests. And I have a little, I think I have like a 4-foot, one of them has like a 10-foot leader on it, but the other one has like a 4-foot leader. Because these are tip-ups I use in clear lakes, so they're already set up for clear water lakes, so I'm not going to change them around here, but I will leave the leader on them. But yeah, hopefully it goes good. I got one of my buddies meeting me for my company. Finally get to meet him, talk to him, hopefully get some fish on ice. Stay tuned for a video, boys. Well, of course, boys. That's how it always goes. I had to go back to the car to rear my shanty. When I come back, I have a flag up. That's how it always goes if you walk away. Alright, dropped it now. Yeah, it sucks. Took out a bunch of line too, dude. Oh, that sucks. Oh, the other one's up. It's spinning too. Oh, she's up and she's spinning. She's up and she's spinning. Got him. Got him. Not feeling too big. It might be walleye, guys. Not feeling too big. It feels like head shaking like it's a walleye. Oh yeah, nice walleye. Oh yeah. Not a bad little one. Not a bad little guy. I bet you that was what was on the other one. Oh, that sucks. I gotta get it back down there. They're coming through. First walleye of the day. Going back. I just had another flag and missed him. Went to the truck, came back out. That sucks. Had a flag up, went and got one, took out a bunch of line and dropped it, and the other one had a fish on it. That same one that caught the other one. He was just going with it. Oh, he didn't pull it up much. He's probably just sitting there munching on it, dude. I see the line tie. I went a little bit. I don't know which way. Get some more line. Which way is the line going? I can't tell because. Oh, shit. Guess let's see if he. Nope. Dropped it. Oh yeah, he's got some teeth marks in him. I don't know if I should just... Yeah, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. So when you grab it, grab these hooks and yank up, give him a jerk. Here, you want me to get him for you?
Yeah.
All right, ready? There you go. He's on there. Don't pull too hard. Don't pull too hard. Here, you gotta keep going. Keep going, baby. What is it? Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Good job, baby. Yes, sir. Good job, baby. We moved the tip up out deeper, boys. Haven't tried nothing out deeper. Haven't even tried any fatheads. We tried some fatheads, moved the tip up out deeper. Found a Walter. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm putting this back down. I'll show you the setup here. It's a little different. So I got the beaver dam over there. Got the tip up line running here to 8-pound trilene. That's about a 3 or 4 foot leader, and then I got a little orange hook on it with a little bead and a fathead. And I moved that one out deeper. We weren't having any more tip up luck in the shallows, so I just said screw it, I'll put it out here deeper on this deep hole, and it's over 20 feet out here. And sure enough, nice Walter comes off of it. Just moved it out here like 30 minutes ago. Now I might be moving some other walleye tip ups out this deep water, boys. I don't know if it stops spinning or what. It's hard to say. He was running with it. Spinning one more time. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm waiting for. Come on. This tip up's all broken. But I'm telling you this, I don't know why. This one's so old and so broken. It's my grandpa's old one. It literally rails them. Don't know why. I think I'm gonna go for it. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, nice weight too, dude. It's a walleye. It's a nice one. Good walleye. Yeah, I think it's head shaking. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh no. Oh, I thought he came up. It's head shaking, dude. It's a walleye. It's a walleye. Oh, it's a little pike. Just a little. Oh, I was like, dude, it's a nice walleye. Little pretty guy. Nothing too major, boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Decent one. It's a bigger one. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get through that hole too, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Mongo. Look at that. Oh dude. On the old beaver tail. Oh yeah. He was way up off the bottom, and I was jigging by the bottom on another fish, and he came in way up, and I just brought it above him. And he just came flying up to it. Oh yeah. Dropped it back down. As soon as I dropped it back down, dude. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, big gill. Big gill. That's pretty cool. First gill of the day. No wonder why he acted so aggressive. He didn't act like those crappies. I dropped it back down. He just smashed it as soon as I missed him. There's so many fish down here. I'm gonna drop down to this farther one since someone's already seen it. Oh, I got one coming down like he's in a down bite. Oh my god, dude. Just pounded it. Got him again as soon as he got back down there. Oh my god. It's a nicer, dude, it's a big crappie. Or big gill. Oh, dude. It's alright. It's alright, buddy. Big gill. Oh, look at that. Dude, 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 that's like 11-inch bluegill. Bro, that's like 11-inch bluegill. Dude, that bluegill is huge, dude. Oh my god. That bluegill is a tank, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. He might get mounted, bro. That might be a 10.5, 11-inch bluegill. He might be 11. Oh my god, I gotta get back there. They're all big bluegills. That's what they are. That's why they're biting. They're just pounding it, bro. Slowly spinning. It's a good sign. It's a walleye, I think. I think it's a nice one, dude. Oh, 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 yes. 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 Look at that one. Oh my god. Look how dark they are here. They're like saw guys.
Right?
Oh, we gotta get that back down there. Oh my god. He just choked it.
What were you using?
Shiner. Oh. I got him off. Just like that, boys. He's off. Nice one. Yes, sir. I just put my lights on my tip-ups. And that is a great sign. Just put the lights on the tip-ups. Yeah, it's fine. All right, go ahead. Yeah, I would just lift up on there, so that's a hook early.
Yep, yes sir.
Yep. Oh yeah. Little guy. Little guy. But they are biting. It's a good sign. They're on fire right now. Look at all the cool little black specks on them. Well, we had to pull out the old ring light. Had a flag. It's pitch black. Pull out the old ring light. Oh. Come on. There it goes. You boys see it over there. You boys see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You want to get him? Go ahead. Go ahead. Should be on there.
Oh, good weight.
Oh yeah, there we go. There's what we want. There is what we want. There's a bigger one. I knew the bigger ones have to be around. Yes, sir. There he goes. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are still out here railing them. We decided we were going to stay the night and fish tomorrow. Yeah, it sucks because two of my tip-up lights are, well, two of my tip-up lights are working, I should say. And the other couple ones took a toast. I had 3 working, flew off the tip-up and I got a flag. Yeah, don't work no more. So now I only have 2 tip-up lights, so that's a bummer. But yeah, here's a look at camp for the night. Ice camp, ice camp, ice camp. And you know, cooking videos are later. We didn't bring the cot this time, we got the air mattress. Yes, sir. Get it done. Got the holes right here so we can fish. Air mattress over there. Gotta go reset these tip-ups. Just had 2 or 3 flags in a row. Alrighty, guys. Well, we broke the ring light out because we have a flag. I'm not sure how long it has been up. We're setting up the camp for the night. Hopefully it's still on there. Yep, got him. Got him. Oh, little walleye. Little guy. That's pretty cool. Little guy, little guy. Another one burrow. Night camping. Out here putting the beat down on them. Chinese food. All our stuff in here. We got it packed. Dude, it literally went up right in front of me. I was literally coming to check it and I just watched it go. I don't know if I should let them take it or not. Just took a big jolt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think I'm gonna get him. Got him. Don't feel very big. Little walleye. Little guy. Little guy. Smallest one I caught so far. Little pretty guy though. Bye-bye guy, I'll let you have my shiner. Oh, you crazy. Well guys, I just caught something that isn't a walleye. Not what we intended. Gonna get this guy back in the dungeon here. Little sucker. Just came and reset them over here. Went over to reset my other tip-ups. I look back and it's up. Oh yeah. I got something on there too. Got him. Little guy. Little guy. Snowing in. Well, good morning, boys. It's just an update. It's just getting light. I came out. I have iFish Pro up over there. Doubt there's anything on it. The hole is probably frozen because it's a blizzard. So I have to check these other flags. I can't really see too good yet. But get the snow off the top of the shanty. Got him. Got him. Nice fish pick. Oh my god. They're coming up off the bottom and just crushing it. Nice crappie. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a rock bass. What the? Giant rock bass. Ain't that cool? Oh, he's on the bed. Oh, there's more fish down there. Dude, what the? Giant rock bass.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is. Alrighty guys, well that is the ending to our trip. Yeah, we hit it hard. Went up to Minnesota, went to the ice show, met some big names, stayed there all day on Friday. Left from there, drove like another 4-5 hours, slept in the car for the night, woke up next morning, ventured out in a place I've never been, which I am still at. Yeah, did pretty good. Caught a bunch of different species, walleyes, crappies, a couple bluegills, a rock bass even. We were mainly targeting walleyes, so I didn't panfish too much, but there was some big crappies around. We ended up snagging a few of those, a few of the big bluegills that I got. But yeah, otherwise it was a good trip. Look, it's all snowed in now. As you can see our setup here, we're packing it all up. Look at the shanty, all icicled up. Been here for a while. But yeah, that is the end to our Northwoods trip. If you guys like what you see, leave a comment. Make sure you like the video. Tell me what else you guys want to see me do. I'm really all over, traveling all over, trying to get on different bites. Whatever you guys want to see me do, I could probably take a trip, go do it. Soon we'll be out with the ATV, no more walking. But yeah, make sure
Next time.
Yeah, until next time. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. We're out. What is up, guys? It is Die Hard Angling here.